Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to add a unique, custom look to your Webflow projects by using your very own fonts, then you're in the right place. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to upload custom fonts in Webflow step by step. By the end, you'll know how to give your site that personalized touch that helps it stand out from the crowd, and I promise, it's much simpler than you might think. Let's jump right in. First off, you'll need a font file ready to go. You can always download fonts from various reputable sites on the web, whether you're working with something you've designed yourself or picking up a cool free font. Just make sure to pay attention to the font's license to avoid any copyright issues. For this tutorial, I already have a font saved in my files, but any TTF, OTF, or WOFF file will work just fine. Now head over to your Webflow dashboard and open the project you want to customize. From here, you'll want to go into the site's settings. If you've never been here before, you'll find a ton of powerful features, but don't worry, we're only focusing on one for now. In the left sidebar, look for the tab labeled Fonts and give that a click. Once you're in the Fonts section, you'll see an area called Custom Fonts. This is where the magic happens. Click the Upload button to begin adding your new font. A file picker will pop up. Simply navigate to wherever you've saved your desired font file. Select it and get ready for an extra little step. Webflow asks you to choose a fallback font. This is basically a backup that browsers will use in the rare case your custom font can't be loaded. You can pick any standard web-safe font here. I usually go with Arial just because it's simple and widely supported. So select your fallback and then go ahead and click Upload Font. Depending on your file size and internet speed, this part might take a few moments, so don't worry if there's a slight delay. Once the upload is done, go ahead and navigate back to your main project in Webflow's Designer. Now let's see your new font in action. Select any text element on your page, maybe it's a heading, a button, or a block of body text, whatever you want to update. In the Style panel on the right, open up the Typography section and you'll see your custom font listed among the options. Give it a click and just like that, your text takes on the new look. This is a fantastic way to reinforce your brand or give a creative edge to your design. And the great thing is, you can reuse this font throughout your entire project. And that's really all there is to it. Uploading custom fonts in Webflow is straightforward, and it's a great way to make your site truly your own. If you ran into any issues along the way, maybe the font isn't showing up as expected or you have questions about file formats, let me know in the comments and I'd be happy to help you troubleshoot. If this video helped you out, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want more web design tips and tutorials just like this, make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.